Don't fear technology, master it and make it work for you. Hello everyone, this is Sudesh Rani and these days we are working on Excel software and we are learning it from starting to the advanced level. So today we are discussing about the file menu. Firstly we will open our software. Simple click on it because I have already opened it, highlight on my start bar. And today we will discuss about we have already discussed new, open, save and save as options. Today we will discuss about the print command. It is very important command if we want to print the particular area of our document. It has three more command like print, quick print and print preview. These all command are too much important when we need printing, so we have to master these command. When we click on it, this dialog box will be open. We can move it anywhere. The dialog box name is highlight on the top, print, and this is the printer area that give us information about our printer. Like this is the name that shows the name of our printer. Like I have how many printer we have connected with our computer. If one, it show one. If many, it show many. Like Canon, Fax, HP Laser and Microsoft XP document writer. I have attached these printer with my computer. So we can select any one from them. Now I select this Canon. Simple click on it and it will be selected. Next is the status that is showing how many document are printing for the waiting. Like printing 26 documents are the waiting. Next is the type that show the name of the printer, and next is the where option that show how we have connected our printer with the computer, like it have connected by the USB. And next is the comment, if we have any important thing that we can show in the comment. And this is the property. We know what show the property. It has all important information about the printer. Every printer has different property. Like this is the Canon printer, it has this type property. If you have any other, that will show the different option of property. This is the quick setup, and the first option of this is the quick setup tab is the commonly used setting that show all setting like photo printing, business document, paper saving, envelope, any setting we can use. And we can save any other setting if we have, like we can give any name of the other setting, like I have given the SR and simple press on the OK. It has the option like you can choose any other setting, like these are the icon you can that shows the different setting. Any icon you can select by scrolling, and these are the other settings. Save the paper size setting, paper organization, and save the copies setting. You can use these settings if you want. If you don't want, you can leave them. By scrolling these, you can choose any icon, then simple press on OK. And if you have any doubt about these settings, simple click on help option and you will notice a complete screen will be open that will you guide about the all printing thing. By scrolling it, you can read these all thing according to your doubt, and definitely you get answer of your doubt. Computer has this beautiful thing, it will guide you on step by step. This is the quick setup tab description. You can read it and you can get more knowledge about it, because the knowledge is the power of today's time. By scrolling it down, and you can get all this information about what you want to according to your requirement and what you want to. From here you can close it, and then when you scrolling it at the down, these all have the link. If you click on any link like duplex printing and setting up envelope printing, any you can click any link and it will give you all information. Like I have click on duplex printing, it will give the all information about the duplex printing. If we need any guideline about it, we can choose this. Then we will come on our command. After this, selecting any setting and click on OK, click on OK, and you will see SR setting also add in this commonly used setting. If we want to delete it, we also can delete it. If we don't need, then we simple select it and click on the delete button. It will ask, are you sure about the deleting it? If you sure, then press OK, and you will notice the setting has deleted from your common setting. By scrolling you can check it. And this is the preview that show about your setting, what you are doing setting. It will show the printing preview, how the document will be look after printing. These are the additional feature like duplex printing. Why it is manual? Because we have to change the side of the paper for both side. And we on it, and you will see the print preview setting also has change. See it showing the page converting pattern. Next is the borderless printing. When we click on it, this dialog box will be open that guide us. Borderless printing is not recommended for the plain paper because it is a danger. Some matter can be out and we not get the gutter position if we need a book or any type of other document that we need to pin up. So this is not recommended, but if we want we can on it, and you will notice the preview also. Next, the grayscale printing. If we on it, you will notice the preview area also showing the how the grayscale printing will be look. We can select any of these setting according to our requirement, and preview area guide us about the look of the paper. After setting this, the next will be the, when we set any setting, you will notice the preview area effect. Grayscale printing, when you click on it, dialog box also guide it, and you will notice the when you off it, and the preview also guide about the colorful. Next, the media type. When it has a drop down, we can choose any photo paper plus glossy, plain paper, photo envelope, other paper, any we can choose. And every setting has a drop right side that has some option like photo paper plus, pro luster, and semi gloss, glossy photo paper, matte photo paper. We can any choose according to our requirement. It's depend on our how quality we want in the printing, and why we print the data, and for which purpose we are using that printing. And every option has a drop right side. You can see all option, and you can choose according to your requirement. Other paper has the high resolution paper. If you need, then you click on OK. Otherwise, the next is the printer paper size. These all are the ready-made paper size. You can choose any paper size from that, like A5, A4, B5, any other size you can choose. But if you are not satisfied with the ready-made, then you can custom your size. You can give height or width of the paper according to your requirement. Simple click on the custom. This dialog box will be open that we can move also, and this is the unit. You can use mm or inches, but I'm using inches, so I will click on it. And next is the paper size, width and height. This has given the measurement. By clicking these arrows, you can reduce and increase the size of the paper, or you can type manually by the keyboard that size what you want. Simple click on it. After setting these all things, simple click on the OK button, and you will notice your paper size has been prepared, and you will get your choice size, and it will show in the preview. And next is the orientation, portrait or landscape. You also can choose about these both, what you want, landscape want or portrait. Preview also guide you about the look of the paper, and this is the paper source. Next is the copy, how much copy you want of the print area, 4, 5, 6, or you can type manually. You can decrease or increase by the arrow, or you can type manually. Next is the always print with current setting. If you want the current setting in every print. Then click on OK if you want to change setting in all, then you can change it. In next video we will discuss about the main page setup and maintenance. So if you want to discuss these all things with deeply, then be with me on my channel. If you are first time on my channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell button. You will get notification of every video in future. And please like, your like make me motivate and it give me motivation to do my work with happiness. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this information.